What are signs that a person genuinely is unintelligent? 1. They don't want to understand and or learn. 2. Inability to see a problem or scenario from another person's point of view. They don't have to agree with the other person, but they should be able to understand an alternate perspective. 3. Consistently failing to grasp basic logic, refusing to consider new information, or making the same poor decisions repeatedly despite evidence. 4. A lack of curiosity. 5. Being confident when they're wrong. 6. When you ask them something hypothetical, but they don't understand it and get angry. What if you were to travel to this city by train? Would the trip be cheaper then? No, I used my car for this. I meant, what if you did? But I didn't, I used my car. 7. Inability to genuinely self-reflect. 8.